Hi, let's see how to make Paneer Veg Sandwich. Heat a kadai, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, half teaspoon of fennel seeds and a pinch of oregano. It's optional. 1 big onion chopped. Saute for 2 minutes. Half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes and then add 1 tomato chopped and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Add veggies of your choice. I have added carrot, capsicum and cabbage. Let the veggies cook. Meanwhile, adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and saute well. After stirring for around 10 minutes in medium-low flame, the veggies are well cooked. Now adding the paneer to it. This is homemade paneer. Mixing the paneer well with the veggies. The paneer and the masala is getting along well. Our stuffing is now ready. I'm toasting in a sandwich maker. You can even toast in a tawa. Put some butter, place a bread and keep the stuffing on it. After filling the masala, I placed another bread on the top with some butter on it. And now let's toast this. Our toast is getting ready. And the delicious Paneer Veg Sandwich is ready to serve hot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.